Hi, I want to go over the expectations for next week's homework. On the computation side, you guys will be practicing multiplication. And you'll notice that you have 3 factors. I want you to use mental math to help you. So if you look at the first problem, you have 5 times 8 times 4. When we're multiplying numbers, order doesn't matter. And so you can multiply these in any way to make it easier for yourself. So you can think, do I want to do 5 times 8 times 4? Do I want to do 4 times 5 times 8? Do I want to do 8 times 4 times 5? No matter which way you do it, you're going to get the same answer. So you might do 5 times 8, which is 40. So I'll go ahead and write that down. And so then you would do 40 times 4, and you should be able to do that mentally. It's like multiplying 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16, then 40 times 4 is 160. Okay, so you're going to do that on all of those problems. And then you're going to come down below, and on the bottom, you're going to find your number. So you're going to do it in order. So the first product was 160. And so I'm going to cross out 160 anywhere in the chart. And so every time I get a product, I'm going to come down below in the chart, and I'm going to cross off the letter that is above my product. And so when I'm finished, I'm going to have some letters that will spell out the answer to the riddle. And the riddle is, the more of there is of me, the less you see. And so you'll, hopefully, when you go through this, it will make sense down at the end. On the back, you've got some problem-solving practice. Now, this week, your problem-solving practice is actually very similar to some of the work we've been doing in Origo with rounding decimal fractions. We've done this. You should feel comfortable doing this. You can take a look in your Origo book. If you need some help, we've taken notes that should be stapled in there. Several lessons in there on this. So this should just be practice. The next 2 problems are dealing with decimal fractions, and you're using addition or subtraction. And so this is something that we're actually practicing next week. It's at the beginning of Module 2, which will start on Tuesday. And so if you're looking at this ahead of time and you realize that you're stuck, you should feel comfortable about these problems at least by Wednesday or Thursday next week. But you might be able to figure them out with some background, some of the work that you've done in 4th grade. Thanks.